Stretches to help you get loose. Calf stretch. Stand facing a wall a bit more than arm's length away. Put one foot forward with a bent knee and the other one back with a straight knee. Feet should point directly forward. Using your arms to brace yourself against the wall, keep your belly firm and lean until you feel the stretch in the calf muscle of your back leg. Try to keep both feet flat. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. Glute bridge. This one stretches your hip flexors. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet on the floor about hip width apart. Gently tighten your stomach muscles to help flatten your back and prevent overstretching. Then tighten your butt glute muscles as you push your hips up toward the ceiling. Hold for a few seconds and repeat. Cobra. It stretches your stomach and back muscles. Lie on your belly with your hands facing forward flat on the floor, directly under your shoulders. Stretch your legs out behind you and point your toes. As you exhale, lift your chest up and push your hips into the floor. Take care not to extend your arms so far that you lift your hips up. Hold the position for 15 to 30 seconds. Butterfly stretch. This one loosens up your inner thighs, groin, hips, and knees. Sit on the floor or a mat and bring your feet together so that your soles touch and your knees bend to opposite sides. With a straight spine, grasp your feet, then lean slowly forward and gently push your thighs down with your elbows until you feel the stretch along your inner thighs. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Lying knee to chest stretch. This one reaches your quads, hip flexors, lower back, and hamstrings. Lie on your back and gently pull one knee toward your chest until you feel a stretch in your lower back. Leave the other leg bent if you have low back pain. Otherwise, choose what's more comfortable. If straight, you can add to the stretch by pushing the back of your knee toward the floor. Hold it for 30 seconds and then switch legs. Side lunge stretch. Keep your upper body straight and legs apart. Then shift your weight in a slow lunge to the side over a bent knee, not forward as in a typical lunge. You should feel a stretch along the inner thigh of the opposite leg, which should be straight as you push your weight to the bent knee side. Try to hold it for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. Chest and shoulder stretch. You can do this sitting or standing. Interlace your fingers with bent elbows and put your hands behind your head. Move your elbows gently backward and squeeze your shoulder blades together. You can move your hands to the top of your head or a few inches above your head to affect different parts of your shoulders and chest. Standing quad stretch. Stand behind the chair with your legs about shoulder width apart. Put one hand on the chair for balance. On the opposite side, lift your foot behind you and grab it with your free hand, keeping your bent knee pointing straight to the floor. Avoid bending forward and try not to lock the knee of your standing leg. Pull gently on the leg until you feel the thigh stretch. Hold it for 10 to 30 seconds. Standing hip flexor stretch. Your hip flexors, muscles that help you lift your knees and bend your waist, can get tight if you're a runner or you sit for long periods. Drop one leg back, keeping it straight or slightly bent. Try to keep your torso upright and your spine straight. Drop your tailbone down toward the floor and tuck your butt forward until you feel the stretch on the inside thigh of your rear leg. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and then switch legs. Standing hamstring stretch. In a standing position, find something to hold for balance. Put one straightened leg up on a step or a block. Bend slightly, not beyond your toes, with the opposite knee until you feel a gentle stretch at the back of the thigh of the raised leg. Bend slightly forward from your hips if you need more stretch. Move slowly and evenly without bouncing. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds and switch legs.